So hey guys, welcome back to Winding and Racing. Well, last couple of days my son and I spent some time cleaning up around here, cleaning up the yard, going through boxes. We had like an old engine core that put on Marketplace, that's already gone, so we made some more room in here, installed some shelves. So just to be more organized and get ready for a very productive year. Now, one thing I did find was, I'm going to get back to the golf cart here. Got some tail lights now. Spent a little time there yesterday making these little tabs and mounting up the tail lights. So now we're going to have brake lights on the golf cart. And another thing we came across was some lap belts. So now we're gonna have some seat belts in the golf cart. And my son took a rear view mirror and threw it in the garbage. I'm like, well, hey, we could sure use that on the golf cart. So went ahead and made that tab and mounted that up there. And then he's like, well, why don't we put this on there? But did you die? Well, not yet. So those are just some little things that I did with the golf cart yesterday. Now today, because one thing we went through was all the steel and aluminum that we got, I'm like, why don't I start making the tabs or the panels here for the front end? And this is going to be really cool because this has like a lot of different kind of a stealthy. You see the Steph, what is that? The F-17, the stealth fighter jet with all the flat edges on it. So this, so you can see this one down here, it's going to take a brake, and this one here, this panel here will take a couple of brakes. This one here will take a brake. So it's going to have a lot of square edges and kind of a neat look to it. But it took me some time to take the cardboard and kind of make those all fit and kind of design what they're going to look like. Now, all of these will be mounted underneath the tubing, so with contrasting colors between the panels and the framework there, that's going to look really cool. Now, I just came back from a run from the steel shop. We have this place you can dump off steel, and so I cleaned out the back of the truck. Then I stopped by a wrought iron place. And let me give you guys a little secret here. If you go to like a specialty steel place, they might charge you $1.50, $2 for a tab, right? Well, these guys here, this is a bag of 25. They work just fine for mounting. I'm going to use it to mount the panels. They're 25 cents a piece. So why spend 6 times as much when something like that? Just go to the wrought iron shop, save yourself some money, and they work just fine. So I just did that little bit of run, and I'm ready to get to work on this tomorrow. I'm going to get up early and cut some panels out, and I'll drill the holes and weld the tabs, and we're going to start getting this body together for the golf cart. So wanted to jump in here, give you guys a little update what's going on, because I haven't posted a video in a few days, and well, I'm working on it. We're gonna get this that golf cart, it's about ready to go. And I tell you, that's gonna be a really neat looking front end on it. Can't wait to get started in the morning. So everybody have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care now.